Imagine your uncle sends you $100 from America. How much CFA is that? Today we learn how to convert money between currencies. An exchange rate tells us how much one currency is worth in another. For example, $1 equals about 600 CFA francs today. Here are common rates. The euro has a fixed rate of 655 CFA. The dollar, pound, and naira change daily. Always check current rates. Here is the golden rule. To change foreign money to CFA, multiply by the rate. To change CFA to foreign money, divide by the rate. Let's try our first example. Convert $50 to CFA francs, using the rate $1 equals 600 CFA. Which rule do we use? Foreign to CFA, so we multiply. 50 times 600 equals 30,000 CFA francs. So $50 is worth 30,000 CFA. Now a harder one. Mama wants to send 19,650 CFA to her sister in France. How many euros is that, if €1 equals 655 CFA? CFA to foreign means divide. 19,650 divided by 655 gives 30. So Mama sends 30 euros. Watch out! Many students divide when they should multiply. Always ask, am I going to CFA or from CFA? To CFA means multiply. From CFA means divide. Remember this catchy phrase, times to CFA, divide from CFA. Write the rate first, check the direction, then calculate. You will never get confused again. Thanks for learning with us today. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons like this one. Visit ovasaabi.com for full courses. See you next time.